Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon to you. How are you?
I'm fine. And how about you?
Yeah, I'm also fit as fitter, thanks. And how was your day?
My day is good. Busy also.
Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
yeah.
This is our second session for our viewers. We are introduce ourselves. Yes.
Yeah, sure.
First,
So my name is Sanjana. Yeah, my name is Sanjana. I'm living in Delhi. I'm a homemaker. I blessed with two kids, and simultaneously I created my YouTube channel, and I'm working on my YouTube channel as well as I'm a homemaker as well. Okay, and this time, if I talk about my qualifications, so I am graduated. Yeah, that's all about me.
okay. Okay. Good.
Yeah,
I give my introduction little bit. My name is Sushma. I'm from Maharashtra in Amravati district. If I talk about my education, I complete my PG English literature as well as Marathi literature also. And my
yeah.
profession is tuition teacher as well as photo editor also. That's it. Yes.
Okay, that's great.
And
You photo editor.
photo editor also. This is our own business.
Okay,
Yes.
that's great. Okay, so do you have any topic for discussion or general conversation you want?
Means general conversation also in our childhood memories.
Oh, okay, okay.
This is also a nice topic. Means you tell me where do you means your mom house?
Okay, so my mom's born UP, and my father has born on UP. Okay, and we have five siblings. You can
Oh,
say uh, we have three sisters and two brother. We have okay,
okay,
and yeah, this time my mother and mom they has not yet they had dead, yeah, so yeah.
okay, okay.
Yeah,
And what
I
does
don't talk
your
about
father?
this. Yeah, I
Okay,
don't
what
know
does
about
your
this.
father did? My mother also passed away before
Okay,
3 years. Means she
okay,
was ill. I think she was ill 10 years. And my father did everything after my marriage also.
okay.
Yes.
My father was alive, that time my father used to tailor. He was tailor that
Okay.
time,
Okay.
and
Okay.
my mother was a homemaker.
Homemaker. Okay. Okay. And you have
Yeah.
three sisters also. You
Yeah, we
have.
have. I'm a middle of sister. I have my
Okay.
elder sister name is sorry was laga diya. My
Yes. Yes.
elder sister is name is Bindia, and I am middle
Okay.
one, and my younger sister name is Shivani.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
and my brother is younger than our both of us, three of
Okay.
us, you can say.
Okay. They have not got married.
My yes, he had one brother has got married, but little one has not got married.
Okay. Okay. I think she is learning means reading
Married.
education. Okay, okay. And
Yeah.
you tell me which memory you this time also which memory or incident you not forget this time also which memory happy memory in our life
Yeah.
childhood.
Actually, many memories I have, but I didn't
Good days
forget
also.
that memory. Which memory? Which I have memory that when I was children first time, my father tell he put my name. Vikas. He put my name Vikas
Okay,
because yeah,
okay. They
and
want to boy, I
because
think.
he yeah, because that time they have no any boy, because we have
So,
three younger sister, you know.
yes, yes,
So that's why he put my name Vikas. So that's
Okay,
why
okay.
I didn't forget.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes. In our childhood means many memories also, but this time we are not means few memories also we are not forget. Means in our
yeah,
school day also they are not come back in our life also after marriage also. Means those are memories is very important in our life. Yes,
yeah,
in school days also we
yeah.
have many friends also. Yes.
Yeah, you told that my childhood about my childhood, so that's why I'm telling you my real name is Vikas, because my parents they put my name Vikas, but my I created my channel with Sanjana, and I also applied for change that name, but some issues are there. So let's see what will happen in future. It will change or not. Yeah. So my
Okay.
real name is Vikas.
Okay. Your
Yeah,
father want to boy, that's why your name they take. Yes, yes.
yeah.
Can you
That's
tell
why
me
we
your
take.
school
Yeah.
memories, your friend about your friend. Who is your best friend in your life? And
I have many best friends. Like yeah, this time, she is also married. Jyoti and Mamta. She is my best friend. Yeah,
this,
and
this time
friend.
also connect with you. This time also connect with you. Miss
Yes,
your
yes,
friend.
yes,
Okay, okay.
yes. And both are married. Yeah,
Yes, yes, yes. Means I think you are making the WhatsApp group also.
yeah. I make them.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, definitely. Yes,
I like to make friends, and easily I can make friends, and they
yes, yes,
also want become my friend.
yes. This is your behavior. That's why also.
Yeah, this
Yes,
is my behavior, you can say. And
friendly
when I
behavior.
speak, yeah, when I speak, so I always smile. So I think this is my habitual, so that's why.
Habitual. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah,
Means in our school days also many memories also. We can't
yeah,
forget also. Means with our friends also. Means
yeah,
I have also a few one memory. Means with my friend. Means I do not participate in any ceremony, but I did. I don't forget this word. I did a practice also.
yeah.
I
I
did
did
not
same.
participate. Yes,
Yeah,
1 month both are practice, but I did not, and I told I did not tell also to my teacher also. Only
yeah,
practice. This incident also. This time this incident is very funny also. This time when I called him, this
yeah.
incident is very funny.
So yeah, that time you performed or not?
Not both are not perform. Only practice
Yeah.
1 month. Both are alone in one corner and practice in any
Okay.
song also. Only practice, not perform, and not told also to my teacher also. Yes,
Yeah.
and many memories also to my sister also. This time, she suppose she got any toys also, any related dress also. Um, I also choice, but I don't like my dress. This time I choose no, I don't have her dress. May,
Okay.
many things. This time also, I was not select my dress. Also, this time I was leave my father house. Means I don't have any brother also. And when she came in Diwali also and summer vacation also. This time I went to Amravati district. In Amravati district also many companies also for in a cost not expensive. This time she bought dresses also. Then this time also I don't like my dress. I want to her dress. But this time I was not saying I want to your dress. But this is
Because
my
this time you are married. This time you are married.
married. I think that yes, yes. And she is means she is everything is suppose I don't have knowledge about how to house makeover. She also called me. You take this type. You kitchen. You means many. She also told this time also. I did not have knowledge. She have knowledge. That's why she always motivated also me. I have
Okay.
only one sister. She is eldest, but she is not qualified also. But I don't have knowledge, but she have knowledge. You motivate us. You make your channel, and suppose I was not upload any videos also. This time also after 1 month or so, you start your journey again. You start your journey. He always motivated me. Means
Yeah.
everything is means sister is always have in. I think every boys also sister is always have. This is very
Helper.
important. Yes,
Yeah.
help us.
Yeah, as you told that your sister is always encourage you and
Yes,
motivates
yes.
you, so yeah, my younger sister is also motivates me that you when I created my channel last year, but that time my channel name was Kids Creativity, and that
Okay.
time I only posted my kids video. But after some time I told my sister, as a general conversation we were doing, so that time I told them the what I do I created my channel, but my subscriber is not increasing. What I do? So she told me that you just think what you have knowledge,
Yes.
and
Yes.
yeah, what you want to do, so you just make that video. That time I realized before 4 months ago, yes, she is right. And that time I saw many videos English, so I have I'm passionate about this language since my childhood, so that's why I did this. And now this time my channel is growing, and I always
Yes.
called him and called her to that my channel is growing, my subscriber is gaining the, and she feels very happy. And also she
Yes.
told me that yeah, I want to hear I want to hear that when you will see say me that the my subscriber up to 800 or 900, I want to
Yes.
hear.
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Means your younger sister motivated you.
Yeah.
Your younger sister, she is younger, but she motivated also. Yes,
Yeah.
means motivation also important in our life. Suppose
Yes.
we motivate in our life. This time, this type of person also important in our life. Yes, this is
Yeah.
also
Yeah, you
this
know,
time.
yeah,
Yes,
my
yes.
husband, I say if I do something, so my husband don't motivate me. Every time demotivate me. But I can say
Yes,
I'm
yes.
doing this only because of my husband and only because of my sister.
Yes, yes. Means you give a challenge to your husband also. I can do it. I can do it.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
and when you success also in on YouTube also. This time they are also surprised. And this
Yeah, they
time
get
they
confused.
yes,
Yeah,
yes, means this time self dependence also important. We don't have need to depend any person also.
yeah.
This time earn
Actually,
money
this
also
time
important.
my husband, yeah, actually this time my husband, they don't know how I am making this type of videos, and I'm talking each other different peoples when they go to the our shop when they went, so I just connect with them. In the morning time I didn't connect anyone.
Okay, okay. Means they
Yeah.
don't means upload your video on channel. They don't.
Yeah, he knows. He knows I tell him that I'm making videos this type of conversation, so that time he told me that what is this, this is not good for you, but I don't listen him. I'm
They are
doing.
not listen. This is a
Yeah.
habitual also wife also. They are not listen every time.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. But this is nice also. You connect different person and you are speaking fluently also. When we
Yeah.
one sentence again and again we repeat, this is a tongue twister also. In a automatically we remember also this sentence when we again
Yeah.
and again repeat this
Yes.
sentence. Means
Yes.
we don't have any topic also. How we talk to different topic. Means casual topic also important. Yes,
Yes,
we don't
yes.
have any topic. Yes, yes.
Yes, so he don't know how to upload video, how to make thumbnail as well, how to editing. They don't know. Only I know, and I learn from YouTube everything.
Yes, yes, everything. Many issues also when we make a channel also. This time
Yeah,
many issues also, but we learn from YouTube also. This is a nice
yeah,
platform also, YouTube. We
yeah.
show our talent also. We have any
Yes, yes.
talent. Many housewife also making videos like a house kitchen work, how to manage our
Vlogs.
yes, yes, many videos, and this is also tough. Means
Yes.
our this is also we are only speaking, but they have clean our house also and
Yes.
making.
When I was not creating my channel, that time I also want to upload blog videos, but I realized that no, this is not good for me because I can't learn from that. Because
Yes, yes,
if I, yeah, I'm speaking English, so I'm learning. This is good for me. Yeah.
yes,
If
yes.
I vlogs or funny videos, so I didn't learn anything.
Only
I'm
you.
wasting my time.
Yes, yes. Only you get money also and get subscriber, but you are not get knowledge. But
Yeah.
your younger sister also motivated you, and she told also you make
Yes.
this type of video. And I
Yes.
my what time my subscriber increase when I upload my English related video. Means when I taught my student I taught my student making a video. Means on a board, whiteboard
Mm-hmm.
I teach, then I upload this time, and in my mother tongue also. This
Yeah.
time my many videos also, like in a one video means 20 hour watching also, and 26 subscriber also in a one video. Means in a
Yes.
simple way I teach. Means this
Yes.
type of also my sister also this time that this time also told me you make this type also video, only 5 minutes 10 minutes. Means people
Yeah.
don't have any time also to watch our videos, only they are 5 minutes 6 minutes watch our video.
Yeah, you are right. And some subscribers they commented me also that, ma'am, please you make videos how to start speaking, how to start writing
Yes,
and
yes,
reading. So I'm thinking that if
yes,
I have, I have no more time to make this type
yes,
of
yes,
video. And also I have no whiteboard. You can say I have no whiteboard. So when I get money more, so I purchase that. So I definitely post that video
yes.
also for my subscriber. Because many people they told me that, ma'am, please make video, this type of videos I want.
Yes, this type of video also nice. Means what is mean in a kitchen things. What is means this and that. This is also important. We don't have means food related vocab also don't know. Many person also means that's why
uh,
this type of videos also important.
actually, sorry to interrupt you, my data has finished. And
Yes, yes,
your video is not coming.
yes, yes, definitely. We nice to talk with you.
Yeah.